Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a quick little updated drag tutorial of what I've been doing recently. If you want to see how I do my shit, then keep on watching. And if you don't, well... Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is sort of like a really dramatic, cartoony, huge winged liner, pretty arched brows, and a really dramatic cut crease. So first I'm just going to go ahead and start by blocking out my eyebrows and gluing them down flat and shaving my stubble on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I will be right back. Alright, so now that we look like a freaking pillowcase, we can go ahead and cover everything up with foundation. I'm just going to start with my forehead and work my way down my face. Just works easier for me. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation because it just works the best for me, I think. So that's what we're going to be using. I'm in the shade Light 42 in the center, and then on the outer part I'm Light 44, but I don't have Light 44 right now, so I'm going to use Light 45 Neutral. It's a little bit more warm tone for me, but I guess we're going for like a tan look today. We're just going to go in our forehead with our foundation on a damp beauty blender and just kind of dab it away. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some dark contour around the perimeter of my forehead, just kind of like a arch right across the top. Alright, so next what we're going to do is move on to our eyebrows. So I'm just going to take a bit of a thicker brush. I'm going to use the same contour palette that I used before to do my contour. I'm just going to use a bit of a darker contour shade to do my eyebrows. Okay, so now that we have our eyebrows on, we can conceal around them just to fix up mistakes, like kind of like right here where I did a double tail, which was just stupid. And then on this side just to clean up the line and make it even a little bit more sharp. Alright, so now that we have our eyebrows nice and sharp and cleaned up underneath, we can go ahead and set the whole eyebrow area. I'm just going to use baby powder because it's the cheapest and honestly I think works the best. And now just to highlight underneath my eyebrow yet again, I'm going to use my Kat Von D powder foundation in the shade Light 42 just to really make the area pop. And then with the excess powder that's on the puff, I'm just going to go and dab it right in between my eyebrows. That'll just give us that nice ombre look that we like, that we're like desperately seeking, Susan. You can just go ahead and brush away the excess. So now we're going to move on to our eyes, which is a little bit more interesting and intricate, I guess. So we're going to first start by mapping out where we want our eyeliner to be. And because I have really, really hooded eyelids, I have to put my eyeliner way up high. So I'm going to basically draw my eyeliner while my eyes are looking straight ahead, just so I can see where it'll sit when my eyes are completely open. So taking my tattoo liner by Kat Von D, I'm just going to quickly map out where I want my eyeliner to be. So I think that's pretty even as far as like where I want my eyeliner to be. Now that we look like a hot mess, we can go ahead and draw in our cut crease. I will be using Jeffree Star's lipstick. This is in the shade I'm Royalty. So taking a little brush, I'm just going to go ahead and draw in my cut crease. So if it looks a little bit messy right now, it's okay, because we're going to go ahead and buff it out with some eyeshadow. So I made this little Morphe palette. It's really dirty, and it has a few shades that I just picked out, and I'm going to use this purple one right here. As you can see, now we have it nice and blended out, and we can go ahead and clean up the black eyeliner nice and clean, and we can take a little bit of this black and just put it into the crease a bit. And with a bit of black eyeshadow, we can go ahead and just blend that out just slightly. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we are going to clean up the crease with white lipstick, again by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we are going to do the underside of our face, but first we are going to put white liner underneath our eyes and on our waterline. And once again we are going to set that with Sugar Pills Taco. Alright, so next thing we are going to do is we are going to cover the rest of our face with foundation, and I like to start with my highlight, so I'm just going to use my light foundation again and pump it right onto the Beauty Blender and just pop that right underneath the white. But taking our darker shade, we're just going to fill in the rest of the face. Alright, so now that we have our foundation completely on, we are going to contour with our dark contour again, the same one that we used to do our forehead. So we're just going to take it from the top of our ear right up here and go down to where our mouth is, but not full pressure. As we are swiping down, we want to leave, like, take the pressure off the brush and just kind of like flick out that way. Okay, so because we still have a little bit of product left on our brush, we're just going to rub that against our jaw. Using that same brush that we used to do our eyebrows, we are going to go ahead and draw our nose contour with that same brush. Because it has a little bit of that contour still on it, we can use it to our advantage and not waste as much product. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line from my eyebrow going down to my nose. Tip of my nose. Sorry, I can't speak. And like that. Kind of like a big V. And then now we can just kind of blend out. Okay, so now we are going to just powder all of that off. Just make sure that it's nice and set. We're gonna add some blush. So I'm just taking Dolly Pop by Sugar Pill, and I'm just gonna blend that into my contour and a bit into my highlight just to make it blend smoothly and seamlessly. So I want to clean up this line just a little bit more, so I'm going to be taking my what's this bitch called? It is the Kat Von D Pressed Powder Foundation in Light 42. Alright, so as you can see, I finished this eye, so I'm just going to quickly do this eye and show you guys how to do it. So I'm taking, again, the Jeffree Star lipstick, and I'm just going to line that underneath the white and just blend it out. Now with the same eyeshadows that I used before, I'm going to blend that out. So now we are just going to take our NYX glitter base, put some on the back of our hand, and with a little flat brush we are going to put that on the same area as the purple. And then taking our finger, we are just going to dab into the glitter. This glitter is a glitter that I made. It's a mixture of a bunch of different glitters from a craft store. Not eye safe, so I wouldn't recommend this, but I'm doing it because I'm okay with it. Alright, so now that we have our eyes complete, we can move on to our lashes. I'm using a pair of 301s from the website elegantlashes.com. I stacked 3 pairs together. I think we're just going to plop it on there and hope for the best. So you just kind of have to angle it up and then sit it down. Alright. Make sure you really focus on getting the lashes on in the inner corner and the outer corner. Alright, so for lips, we are going to be doing Androgyny by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to start off by drawing the lip shape that I want with a lip brush. So I'm going to quickly just draw that on. Okay, so now that we have the outside drawn on, we can go ahead and fill in the inside, and I'm going to be using, I was going to do I'm Nude, but I think I'm going to do Doll Parts instead. Alright, so I'm just going to go put on my wig and my outfit, and then I will be right back. Yeah, this is my cute little pink fluffy duffy look. Bitch, I am a woman. You cannot tell me that I'm not a woman. Bitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure that you guys subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell if you guys want to see more content from me. And if you do want to see more content from me, just leave a little comment down below telling me what you guys want me to do, because I'm clueless, but I love attention, so all the attention that you give me will be just incredible and lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!